Okay, well everybody, good morning. How are you this morning? Alright, I hope everybody is doing well in this special moment. Because of what? Because in this special moment we would like to learn about something special. What is that, sir? Yes, we are going to learn about table manners. Yes. Does anybody know what table manner is? Ada yang tahu apa itu table manners? Right, so everybody, table manners, the simple way we can say table manners is the way how we act when we eat. Ya, jadi bagaimana kita bersikap ketika kita mau makan. Nah, contoh seperti ini. When you are already in a place, how you act your position? Ya, how you set your position? Ya, something like this, or something like this, or something like this. No, right? Yeah. So when you are in a place, when you want to eat, so please get yourself ready. Sit up and straight. Do not put your elbows on the table. So just like this. Okay. Do not do like this or like this. No. Right. Just stay calm and straight and sit down well. Do you understand? Okay. And the second one. Okay, just imagine that Mr. is holding a spoon and a fork. Do you know that meaning? Apa? Tahu ada teman-teman artinya apa? Yes, spoon means sendok, fork means garpu. Okay, do you know how we use this one? Okay, start from the spoon. How we use spoon? Spoon is for eating rice, soup, and something others. Nah, and how about fork? How we use fork? And what this is for? Yes, it's used to eat noodles, spaghetti, and something else. Okay, so now you know already about how we use those things, spoon and a fork. Okay, and next one, everybody. So when the food is already in front of you, when you want to eat, please make sure that you don't talk when you are eating. Okay? Just for the example like this. Just make it different. Which one is the right one? When you eat and you talk. Jadi kayak do I sound clear? Okay. Terus yang kedua, when you eat, quiet. Ya, can you make it different? Apakah berbeda? Yes, berbeda. Yang mana yang jauh lebih sopan? Which one is polite one? The polite one. The first or the second? Yes, the second one. So, what I mean is, when you are eating, please do not eat while speaking. When you are eating, please make sure that you are quiet. Jadi ketika teman-teman makan, itu jangan ngobrol atau jangan berbicara. Ketika ingin berbicara pada saat makan, pastikan you finish first. Jadi diselesaikan dulu makannya atau mengunyahnya. So after that you can speak. Ya. Jadi setelah kalian makan, nanti setelah itu silakan boleh ngomong. So when you are eating, ya, chew first. Chew. You tahu artinya chew? Yes, mengunyah. Finish chewing first, and after that when you are done you can speak. Okay, something like that. Yeah, okay. Now that is the second one, the second table manners. And the third one, when you are already finished eating, what would you say? I will say, oh I'm full sir, it's done, dan lain sebagainya. Apakah itu benar? Yes, that's right, but it's not really polite. Okay, bukan yang terbaik. So how we say? So everybody, when you are done eating, ketika teman-teman sudah selesai makan, you better say thank you very much for the meal. Okay, terima kasih banyak atas makanannya. So thank you very much for the meal. And the last but not the least, everybody, when you want someone to take something, you better say please. Okay, and the first letter you must say can. For example, you want to ask someone to take water. Yeah, you must say, can you please help me to take the water, or atau can you please take the water to me, or can you take the water please, dan lain sebagainya. So that is how we act in table manners. So as for everybody, do you have any questions about table manners? Only that? Alright, so I hope the materials is useful for you. That's all about table manners. The first one, when you are already at a place when you want to eat, please sit down well. Okay, sit down straight and do not put your elbows on the table. It is impolite. So just stay like this, sit down straight and be ready with the meal. And the second one, we know how to use spoon and how we use fork. Okay, spoon we use for eating rice or eating soup and something like this. And fork especially for eating noodles, spaghetti, and many others. And the third one is about when we are done eating, we must say thank you very much for the meal. Do not just say I'm full. It's okay, but it's not being polite. So you better say thank you for the meal. Do you understand? Alright. And the last one, when you want to ask someone to do something for you, you must say can. Okay. Can you take the water please? Or can you please take the water? Okay. Do you understand? Alright, so that's our materials for the day. Thank you very much. I hope the materials are useful for you. And let's close our class by reciting Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much everybody. So everybody, see you.